So you might be trying to go ahead and basically figure out how to use your JBL speakers. Now, luckily for you, it's a pretty basic process. These are pretty basic headphones. They come out in a couple of different variants. They come out in these big ones or smaller ones. They come out in some big ones as well. But the layout is fairly similar. You're going to have your speaker grill on the front side. You're going to have basically a holding area for the most part. And then there should be a little charging area as well. So sometimes you're just going to have to find where that charging area is. As you can see on these JBL headphones, it's right here. But on some other headphones, they might be in a different area. So kind of keep that in mind. Now, each set of JBL headphones are going to also have some sort of like power button. So if you look at the top of these ones, you have a power button right here. They might have a volume up and down button, a play button, and then a Bluetooth pairing button as well. So you do have a lot of options right there, which is really awesome. To turn it on, you just want to find the power button up at the very top, and you can go ahead and basically turn it on. So if it makes that sound, that usually means it's on. And then you can, if you ever want to pair it against your phone or any other device, you can always make your way over to your settings application of that phone or that device. Click on the Bluetooth settings, and you should be able to find it at the bottom, as you can see. And as you can see, it doesn't even show up, but if you hold the power button or the Bluetooth button for a little bit, it should also go ahead and start putting it into syncing mode, and it should also kind of be able to find it that way too, as you can see. And now we see JBL right here, so we can click on JBL, and then it'll connect. So that's an easy way of kind of going through and connecting it. Now the other thing too, if you see this little speaker grill, this LED light, most JBL speakers have some sort of light at the front that indicates whether it's on. That will basically mean that it's on or it's off. If you want to turn it off, you can just hold down the power button and it'll turn it off. Or you can just disconnect it from your phone and that will also turn it off. To play songs, it's pretty basic. There's not really anything insane you're going to have to do. If you also have a little battery widget on your phone, you can also see how much battery percentage you have left inside of your speaker. So that's another very big thing I'd recommend doing, is kind of getting on iPhones, you have the battery widgets already pre-installed. So you could just go ahead and open it up. And I think that is another really important thing to kind of keep in mind there too. Now on top of that, if we go ahead and basically make our way over into playing a song or playing whatever, you can play whatever song, you can play whatever audio you want. I'm not going to play any because I don't want to get copyright strike. But you can always make your way over to your phone settings panel. You can tap on the eye, and you can also go through and change the name. You can disconnect it. There's also a JBL application that you can download as well. So if you want to get a little bit more capability from your device, you can go ahead and find the JBL app, which looks like this, and you can go through and you can kind of get some more access to this particular device too. So you can manage your speakers, you can customize their light show depending on which speaker you have, and there's a lot of different speakers that are capable here. So if you want to, you can also download this particular application and you can get a little bit more access from your speaker as well. So from that side, that's basically how you use your JBL speakers. It's very basic, it's not anything super insane, and they're really cool speakers, they're really nice, and they're like very, very cool, but that's essentially how you go ahead and use them. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.